Hello everyone. So now we are going to start our practical part. So for that, first let's see how to create a AWS free tier account. So you have to come to the Google, you have to search for the AWS free tier. AWS free tier, you have to search and you have to click on the enter. Once you will click on the enter, right, you will see this particular link, free cloud computing service AWS free tier. You have to click on this. Once you will click on this, right, you will see this all the information. AWS free tier, gain free hands-on experience with the AWS product and the service, and below you will see all those information. So new customer get up to $200 in credits. So you will get $200 in credit, and that actually we can use it for our practice perspective. New AWS customer can get started at no cost with AWS free tier, gain $100 USD credits at sign up, and up to $100 USD more to earn as you explore key AWS service. So once you will sign up, you will get $100, and once you will explore more, you will get again 100 more dollar for the AWS service. Test drive AWS service with free tier plan for up to 6 months. So for up to 6 months, you can test drive the AWS services. You won't charge unless you choose the paid plan. So we will create a AWS free account, right? We are not going to create a paid plan. So until and unless you will not change to the paid plan, you will not be charged. So it has written here, you won't be charged unless you choose the paid plan, which allows you to scale your operation with a gain access to over 150 AWS services. So we are going to utilize this $200 credit and we are going to practice the AWS free services. Now here it is given the couple of things. We have a two plan, one is a free plan, one is a paid plan. In free plan, receive up to $200 in credit. So we will get to $200 credit. Include the free usage of selected service. No charge incur unless you switch to the paid plan. Workload scale beyond credit threshold. This is not there. Access to all AWS services not there. But we have a couple of services which we can practice. In a paid plan, you will get all those things which is mentioned here. Now, if you want to explore all the offer, right, you can see Amazon EC2, it is available for both. Amazon S3 is also available for the free and the paid. Amazon RDS is available for the both. Like that, all the services is mentioned. AWS Lambda is also there, means AC2 is there, DynamoDB is also there for free. So like that the multiple things are there. This actually you can explore. So we are going to create a free tier account and there only we are going to do all the practice. Now if you want to see more information, you can go into the free tier category. Here based on the analytics and everything, you can explore what are the services which comes under the free, what are the services which will come under the paid, and this actually you can explore. Now what we are going to do, we are going to create a free account. So for free tier account, you can use a credit card, or if you also have a UPI, right, that also you can use it for the creating a free account. So click on the create a free account. We are going to create a new account. So first you have to select the create a free account. Now after that we have to sign up for the AWS. Now here you have to pass the email address. So you can see sign up for the AWS root user email address or AWS account name. If you already have an existing AWS account, you can select here, but I don't have, so I am going to create a, I will select my email address here, and after that we have to pass the account name, whatever the name you want, right? AWS account name, you can give that, click on the verify email address. Then you will get a one email for this, and that verification code you have to pass here. So let me give the verification code and click on the verify. Now you have to select the password. You root user password you have to select. Make sure you remember this one. Now after that you can see choose your account plan, free for 6 months or the paid one. Receive up to $200 credit, include free usage of selected service. In paid also you will receive a $200, include free usage of selected service, access to the all the AWS service and feature. We are going to select as of now the free plan. Now after that you will see sign up for AWS, contact information. We'll select the personal one, and after that we have to pass your whole detail, like you have to pass your full name, you have to country code, country address, everything you have to pass here. So let me give. After that click on this, click on the agree and continue. Now we have a two option. One is a UPI autopay, second is a credit card. So if you have any one, right, UPI autopay also you can use, and you can see automatic payment limit is a 50,000, 15,000. The autopay actually you can cancel at any time. So let's give the our autopay UPI ID. Click on the verify continue setup 3 of 5. Is right, it will verify with the 2 rupees. And after that, you have to select the primary purpose. So personal use or learning you can select. Ownership type, individual. The PAN card and everything you have to select. After that, next. Now you can see finally our AWS account is ready. So we have done the setup with the help of the UPI, and you can see it is activated. Now if you click on the go to the AWS management console, your AWS account will be open. So make sure you remember whatever the password you have set up. Make sure you remember your email ID. And now what we will do, we will try to set up the billing alerts, because suppose your cost is increasing, we are going to get a $200 credit, but suppose you are using more, right? So for that the alert should be there, so that in your email ID you will get an email. So what you have to do, search for the billing and the cost management in the search bar, and after that you can see it is showing like this: month to date cost, data unavailable, because just now we have created. And in the left side, right, you can see budgets and the planning. Click on the budgets, create a budget, start tracking your AWS cost and usage. This is a free, this we are going to use a template. So they have given some template. What actually we are going to use, a zero spend budget. Create a budget that notify you once you are spending exceed $0.01. If your cost is increasing beyond the $0.01, you will get the alert. So that's why we are going to select the zero spend budget, but you can also have monthly, daily. This is very important, my zero spend budget. And email, which email you want to get the alert, that you have to select, that we have to select. And after that, click on the create budget. So this is a free one. This we have created. Now if budget is going $0.01, right, you are going to get a notification over your email. So this is a very important step. Now if you go to the AWS, right, now here we can do all our practice. So we can create a different services, and also what we will do, the best practice, right? Whenever you will create any services like S3 I am creating, after that make sure like once you will do a practice, you delete those services, so that we will not utilize the more credits. So we have to save the credits and we have to practice all our AWS services, right? So once you will do a practice, suppose Lambda, that service you are doing a practice, right? Once you complete your practice, make sure you delete the whole services. So like that actually we will follow, so that we will manage our cost. And the right side also you can see cost and usage. Day remaining is 182 days, and $100 credit is remaining, and $100 more we will get once you will practice more. So you can see launch an EC2 instance. Once you will do, you will get this $20. If you will do this all the practices, right, you will get the more $100. So these are the things we are going to do and we are going to explore. So as of now we have got $100. Once you will do this all the practice, you will get the more dollar, like up to $200. So that we are going to utilize. So make sure you create an account, then only we'll do a practice.